CRPF jawans were martyred on Thursday after an IED blast by terrorists struck a bus in Gauripura area of Jammu and Kashmir's Pulwama district. The Jaish-e-Mohammed has claimed responsibility for the attack. The casualties are likely to go up. 2 buses of the CRPF convoy were targeted. Gunshots were also heard after the IED blast. Several people were injured in the IED blast, which reduced the bus to a mangled heap of iron. The exact number of the injured was not yet known. Further details of the incident are awaited.